DJT stock analysis next week, Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump media stock. All right, so we are exactly in a demand zone, and that doesn't necessarily mean that I'm just gonna put a lot of money into it and just open a lot of positions here. No, what does it mean is that I'm gonna wait for a double break, and if the double break that I'm waiting for does not happen, which is this thing here, then I'm certainly not buying. I'm looking at it from a 1 hour perspective. So it's a good time frame. 1 hour still has some structure, so I want to see a full candle close above here, pull down and a break again. Only if that happens, only then not gonna be like this, just double. This is gonna be like, if the price gives the rules, this is like the remaining that I really take advantage of it. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using free, check the photos link in the description. All reviews 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.